They say if you fall in love with someone's petals, not their roots, you won't know what to do when autumn comes around. Well, I've known Bekah from her petals to her roots, and Colton, there's not one bit of her not worth loving.
I've known Colton all of his life. I've watched their relationship grow, and I truly believe this is a marriage made in heaven.
May you both grow together to know God. And I'm not talking about gaining a greater knowledge of God, but truly knowing Him. When the storms of life hit, and they do hit, they hit hard, you have that peace that surpasses understanding.
To me, having an older brother is having a role model who takes the same path as you and lets you know what and what not to do. And when I started writing this speech, I thought to myself, what is one thing that I've taken away and something that Colton's taught me? Very quickly that question was answered, and it was how to be generous.
He's there when you need him to be. You know he's always going to do the right thing, and you can trust him with whatever it is that you need. There's a quiet confidence that's always felt and respected because it's genuine and not forced, and that is Colton.
I'm very happy to have Bekah as a sister of my own, and I'm so excited to get her know her more.
I can now see why Colton loves Bekah so much. She pushes Colton to grow and to be a better person, and her best trait is that she loves Colton for Colton.
It was Bekah and I against the world, always finding ways to bring magic to the little things. We've either fought over or shared everything we've ever owned. And I think about how almost every single significant childhood memory is me and you. I remember hearing about the very first day of her freshman year of college when she gushed about how much she liked this guy named Colton. Colton doesn't just love Bekah. He loves all of the history that has made her the person that she is today. And I know I don't need to tell you that you're the luckiest man in the world, but I do want to tell you thank you. Thank you for caring for the most precious person to me.
We believe that it's God's desire that you remain married for the rest of your lives. May you always allow Him to be a part of your life and guide your marriage.
I love you. You make me a better person. You always see the best in people. Your general attitude and optimism to see the best in people is contagious, and that's why you're such an amazing friend too. In the same way that you are a friend to others, I promise to help you when you're down, cheer you back up, and stand beside you in every season of life, and make sure you know how proud I am of you.
Colton Michael Shannon. Everything I've ever wanted in life is standing right in front of me right now. What's special about us is it's not a love at first sight, but that's what makes it so sweet. That our love was built on friendship and that we knew each other's quirks long before we knew the depths of each other's hearts. I had never experienced a love the way that you love me. A love that does not waver. A love that is patient, thoughtful, kind, and selfless.
I promise to keep God in the center of our marriage, to look at Him when we don't have the answers, and pray with you when life feels heavy, and to be thankful when things are going well. Whatever life brings, I promise to love you fully, faithfully, and healthily.
Marriage is not the reward for finding someone who makes you feel good. It's a lifetime of carrying your cross beside someone until one of you reaches heaven and the other one joins. And I know without a doubt, Colton, that you are a man who's going to take up his cross beside me and never be afraid of a love that's going to cost. I vow to love you on our most exciting days and on our most ordinary ones. I vow to follow your example of generosity, holding loosely to possessions and tightly to God. So with God's help, I promise to walk every single step of it with you.
We've had a great time, and celebrating with each and every one of you has been Such a pleasure. Thank you for making the trip out. It means a lot to us.
Life's too short to go through it with your spouse and not have fun. Stay up late and watch movies, go on too many weekend trips, and go to dinner. There's very few occasions that this many people in your life will be together at the same time, and probably even fewer that are going to be about you two. So soak it in.
Bekah and Colton, may the saddest day of your future be not worse than the happiest day of your past. Your lives are very special, and God has touched you in many ways. May His blessings rest upon you and fill all of your coming days. How about a kiss for your bride?
How about it?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Cotton